Hi everyone, welcome to my Autodesk screencast. My name is Zan Ta and I work for Repro Products in Smyrna, Georgia. I'm an Autodesk certified instructor and hold many certifications in multiple Autodesk products for the AEC industry. I hope you enjoy my screencast. If you'd like to see more of my screencasts, please search for VAR 2015, that's VAR 2015, or my name. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up after you watch it. In today's screencast, we'll be continuing with the Autodesk Point Layout screencast within Navisworks Manage. Here we are in Autodesk Navisworks Manage 2016, and I've got my model up, and I've already started placing my Autodesk Point Layout points. If you are all finished placing all of your points, you can actually export those points out so that it will go out into a comma-separated value file, so that that file can then be brought into a total station such as TopCon. And so here you have the export points file window. You can specify things such as the point export order, the units, what we're selecting, everything or just certain things. We will check automatically if there are any duplicate points and negate those. We can also specify a coordinate system if we need to as well, depending on what coordinate system was initially used. We also have the ability to use the filter tool. The filter tool allows you to search for points based upon whatever condition you specify. So for example, let's say I only want the 100 series points. So I can go in here and I can pick all the 100 series points. And let's just do a few for now and you'll understand. When you're finished, you hit apply. They're all in there. If you need to, you can again expand this window to get a look at all of the vertical columns, what each one states, and what each one's values are. You can specify the name of that exported file. So for here, we're going to say test export points file. We can specify a location for it as well. So I'm going to put it under ctemp. And then if you have BIM 360 field and glue accounts set up, you can actually click any one of these two icons to tie this information back to your BIM 360 field model and create an issue for it. Or you can tie it back to BIM 360 field of your project and create an attachment as a task. Since I don't have it, I'm just going to click OK. It will export the files. It'll tell me how many it's exported. And if we open up Excel and go to that file, we want all file types, test point. And here in Excel, you can see the names of the vertical columns. You can see all the X, Y, and Z points and the descriptions. And that's it. This file will then be taken and brought into a working total station machine out in the field. And then these points can then be mapped to the physical site. While this is occurring, the field user who's working with these tools can actually create additional control points for whatever the true condition is out there. He can save that information as another CSV file, and then from within the application, whether it's AutoCAD, Navisworks, or Revit, because Autodesk Point Layout works with all three, you can actually import those points in, and you can select the file you want to import. It will read and give you the data that you need to tell you what the files are and the discrepancies, and you can cancel or bring it in if you need to. There is also a compare points feature that allows you to select the file that you want to work with, and it will compare what you have actually out on the site as a scanned data versus the points you've already placed in the model. I will reserve that aspect of screencast as another screencast video. So in summary, this is a quick screencast capture on how to use Autodesk Point Layout within Navisworks Manage and working with the importing and exporting features of the software. And I hope you enjoy my screencast, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up.